Hello everybody, myself Mr. Birazdar Balasaheb, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Science, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. In this video lecture, we will discussing linear differential equation of higher order with constant coefficient, part 7. Learning outcome. At the end of this session, students will be able to solve higher order linear differential equation f of d into y equal to x of x when x of x is equal to e raised to ax into v type. Let us pause the video for a while and write answer to the question. Question is write particular integral of differential equation d plus 2 into y is equal to x into e raised to minus 2x. Come back. I hope you return answer to this. See the solution. Here f of d is d plus 2 and x of x is x into e to power minus 2x. And we know that formula for particular integral is 1 upon f of d operated on x of x. Substitute the value of f of d and x of x, we get pi equal to 1 upon d plus 2 operated on x into e raised to minus 2x. Now using the case of pi, that is 1 upon f of d operated on e to power ax into v, can be written as e to power ax in bracket 1 upon f of d plus a operated on v. Here e to power minus 2x you can take outside the operator and put every d equal to d minus 2 in the denominator, because a is minus 2. So replace d equal to d plus minus 2. Therefore pi equal to e raised to minus 2x and in bracket 1 upon d minus 2 and plus 2 kept as it is and operated on x. In the denominator minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, so that pi equal to e raised to minus 2x in bracket 1 upon d operated on x. And as we know that 1 by d stands for integration. Therefore, pi is equal to e to power minus 2x into integration of x with respect to x. Therefore, pi equal to e raised to minus 2x and integration of x is x square by 2. So that pi equal to e to power minus 2x into x square by 2. This is the required answer. Now we are practicing more examples on this case. Example, solve the differential equation d square minus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to e raised to 2x into x square. Solution. Here f of d is d square minus 3d plus 2 and x of x is e raised to 2x into x square. For CF, auxiliary equation is obtained by equating f of d equal to 0. Here it is d square minus 3d plus 2 equal to 0 is auxiliary equation. Solve it for d by factorizing. Left hand side factors are d minus 2 into d minus 1 equal to 0. Equating each factor equal to 0. D minus 2 equal to 0, d minus 1 equal to 0 gives d equal to 2 and d equal to 1. These two roots are real and distinct. Hence, by rule of CF, when d equal to m1 and d equal to m2, where m1 is not equal to m2, then CF can be written as c1 e raised to m1x plus c2 e raised to m2x. Therefore, by this rule, CF equal to c1 e to power 2 into x plus c2 into e to power 1 into x. Now for pi, we have formula pi equal to 1 upon f of d operated on x of x. Here substitute the value of f of d as d square minus 3d plus 2 and x of x is e raised to 2x into x square. Therefore, pi equal to 1 upon d square minus 3d plus 2 operated on e raised to 2x into x square. Now using the case 1 upon f of d operated on e raised to ax into v equal to e raised to ax into bracket 1 upon f of d plus a operated on v. Here we take e to power 2x outside and put every d equal to d plus 2 because a is 2. So that pi equal to e raised to 2x into 1 upon d plus 2 bracket square minus 3 into d plus 2 plus 2 operated on x square because v is x square. Simplify the denominator. we get pi equal to e raised to 2x into 1 upon the expansion of d plus 2 whole square is d square plus 4d plus 4. Then minus 3d, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 and plus 2 into x square. Therefore, pi equal to e raised to 2x into 1 upon in denominator d square, then 4d minus 3d it is a plus d, and 4 plus 2 is a plus 6 gets cancelled with the minus 6 and into x square as it is. Now the function is x square on which we have to operate 1 by d square plus d, so that using case x raised to m type, we write denominator in ascending powers of d, then take d is common from the denominator. So that is why pi equal to e raised to 2x into 1 upon d plus d square operated on x square. Therefore, pi equal to e to power 2x into 1 upon, from the denominator we take d common, in bracket 1 plus d and into x square. Therefore, pi equal to e raised to 2x, keeping 1 upon d as it is, take 1 plus d factor in numerator, its power becomes minus 1 and into x square. Now we have to expand 1 plus d bracket raised to minus 1 in ascending powers of d using binomial expansion. 1 plus x bracket raised to minus 1 can be written as 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube and so on. Here x is a second term, here it is d. Therefore, pi equal to e raised to 2x as it is into 1 by d kept as it is. Now expansion of 1 plus d bracket raised to minus 1 is 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube and so on infinite term bracket close into x square. Now here power of x is 2. Its second order derivative is exist, but the third order, fourth order, etc. higher order derivative becomes 0. So that from this expansion we consider term up to d square only. Neglect d cube, d raised to 4, etc. Therefore, pi equal to e raised to 2x into 1 by d kept as it is. From this infinite series, we have to take term up to d square. Hence, 1 minus d plus d square, bracket close and into x square. Now, we have to operate each term of this square bracket on x square. Therefore, pi equal to e raised to 2x into 1 by d as it is. Now, x square we multiply with each term of that bracket. 1 into x square is x square minus d of x square plus d square of x square. As we know that d of x square means derivative of x square, it is 2x. D square of x square means second order derivative of x square, it is 2. Therefore, pi equal to e raised to 2x into 1 by d in bracket x square minus 2x plus 2. Now, we have to operate 1 by d on this square bracket. 1 by d stands for integration, we know that. Therefore, pi equal to e raised to 2x into integration of x square minus 2x plus 2 into dx. Therefore, pi equal to e raised to 2x as it is. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 minus 2 into integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration 2 is 2x. Therefore, pi equal to e raised to 2x in bracket x cube by 3 minus 2 cancel x square and plus 2x. This is the particular integral. Hence, general solution is, in the equation y is a dependent variable, so that y equal to cf plus pi. Therefore, y equal to cf is c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to x, we know that, plus pi is e to power 2x in bracket x cube by 3 minus x square plus 2x. This is the required solution. Now let us consider another example. Solve the differential equation d square plus 6d plus 9 into y is equal to e raised to minus 3x upon x square. Solution. Here f of d is d square plus 6d plus 9 and x of x is e raised to minus 3x upon x square. For CF, auxiliary equation is d square plus 6d plus 9 equal to 0. Solve it for d. Here factors are d plus 3 equal to 0. And equating each factor equal to 0, we get d equal to minus 3 and d equal to minus 3. Two roots both are real and equal. When two roots are equal and real, CF will be c1 plus c2 into x and bracket close e raised to m1 x. Here m1 means minus 3, so that cf equal to in bracket c1 plus c2 into x bracket close e raised to minus 3x will be the complementary function. Now for pi, formula is pi equal to 1 by f of d operated on x of x. Now substitute the value of f of d and x of x, we get pi equal to 1 upon d square plus 6d plus 9 operated on e raised to minus 3x upon x square. Again using the same case, 1 upon f of d operated on e to power ax into v, we write it as e raised to ax in bracket 1 upon f of d plus a operated on v. Here v is 1 upon x square and a is minus 3. Therefore, pi equal to e raised to minus 3x kept as it is and into 1 upon, in denominator put d equal to d minus 3. Therefore, d minus 3 bracket square plus 6 into d minus 3 plus 9 and in bracket 1 upon x square. Now simplify the denominator, we get pi equal to e raised to minus 3x into 1 upon d square minus 6d plus 9 plus 6d minus 18 plus 9 operated on 1 upon x square. Now in denominator minus 6d cancel with the plus 6d and plus 9 is a plus 18 cancel with the minus 18. Hence we get pi equal to e to power minus 3x as it is into 1 upon d square operated on 1 upon x square. But we know that 1 by d is an integration and 1 by d square means double integration. Therefore, pi equal to e raised to minus 3x double integration 1 upon x square dx dx. Therefore, pi equal to e raised to minus 3x kept as it is and into integration, and integration of 1 upon x square is minus 1 upon x and into dx. Again integrate minus 1 upon x with respect to x, we get pi equal to minus sign taken outside and e raised to minus 3x as it is and integration of 1 by x is log x. So this is the particular integral for the given differential equation. Hence general solution is, here y is a dependent variable, so that y equal to cf plus pi. Therefore y equal to cf is in bracket c1 plus c2 into x bracket close e raised to minus 3x and plus pi, but pi is minus into e raised to minus 3x into log x, so that minus into e to power minus 3x log x. So this is the general solution of a given differential equation. To prepare this video lecture, I referred this book as a reference. Thank you.